Well, hi guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking a lovely huge brass tricircle 267 sent to me by my great friend Jamie, aka Pickbeard, on our UK Locksport forum. Thank you, my friend. It came the other day. I got home from work, my wife had signed for the package. I came in, got a shower, thought I'd do a video out the package. When cutting into the box, into probably about a minute of the video, the knife went straight through one side of the box. My mistake, always cut away from your hands, and it went straight into my finger. I was going to soldier on if I could, but the blood started dripping out, so I had to cancel the video. Now my buddy on YouTube at Southampton Lockpicking Club wants to see that video of me stabbing my finger. Thank you, mate. So anybody else that wants to see it, let me know, I'll upload it. It's only about a minute long. But let's get this picked open. I love these tricircle locks, the brass ones. Obviously the 267 there. Pickbeard kindly sent that to just about finalise my brass tricircle collection. Again, thank you, my friend. That's the 266. I've got 261 sort of leading up, and they look fantastic on display. It's a 6-pin. That's the bitting on the key. Hope you can see that. Key working, and it is really heavy. And I've got small hands, so it is difficult for me to hold. Locked up. Pop it there. Pick I'm going to use is a Peterson Reacher, or deforest, some people call it. Going to use this pry bar. Let's see if we can get it open. Like I say, it is very heavy. Awkward for me to hold. Start at the back, work to the front. So it's trying to slip out my fingers as we speak. So start picking. It's picked. It can go quick, it can go slow. It's due to the size of this though. It is massive, but beautiful lock. So thank you so much, Pickbeard, my friend. That's the tricircle 267 single pin picked. So if you are newbies to Locksport, guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.